Honor's event in Berlin during IFA 2019 didn't really have any surprises, though it served as a great reminder as to what the company is getting up to these days. The company's European Vice President held the stage for the majority of the event, announcing its various products. We saw the advent of the pretty amazing capture vision technology that can help aid the visually impaired, a new Honor 20 Pro colour dubbed Icelandic Frost, the Honor Vision TV, and the company's own MagicBooks, which are currently only available in China. We also managed to get our hands on the Honorbound 5. This is Adam Conway with XDALegacy. Honor's own event in Berlin didn't really tell us anything new, though it started off with the reveal of a new colour variant of the Honor 20 Pro and Icelandic Frost. It's a beautiful device which uses a similar multi-layered glass back to create a changing colour depending on how the light hits it. It can shift from white to pink and looks beautiful in person. Next is where things really start getting interesting, as it was the first time the company's Honor Vision made its way outside of China. It's primarily aimed at the Chinese market at the moment, and as such, none of it's actually in English just yet. It features the company's new Harmony OS, which will serve as a replacement for Android should the company no longer be allowed to use it. Plans for it to be launched outside of China are hazy thus far. We'll be keeping a close eye on this one, as it will likely be competing with the upcoming OnePlus TV if it does launch globally. Its AI pop-up camera is pretty cool and can be used for photo taking and even video calls, though how it's AI powered wasn't said. The TV itself has a number of preloaded apps, some of which were demonstrated at the event. It's quite reminiscent of Android TV, though it's clearly trying to create its own identity as well. It's hard to completely gauge how I felt about it, as I didn't understand any of its menus. It's a cool idea though, and I'm looking forward to seeing its global launch should the price be right. The Honorbound 5, meanwhile, was one of my favourite announcements at the event. It's a fitness, movement and sleep tracker with an incredibly accurate heart rate monitor, full colour AMOLED display and fantastic battery life. It works like any other fitness band that you're used to, and it retails at only €30. You can get your notifications on it, track your sleep to great accuracy, and even track your heart rate as nearly as accurate as a real heart rate monitor, according to Honor anyway. I'll be reviewing this one over the next week, so you can expect to see my full thoughts on it very soon. But while the Honorbound 5 was one of my favourite announcements at the event, the company's capture vision was my ultimate favourite. It's a technology that can help aid the visually impaired in reading. It can change the colour contrast of text, magnify text, and even read it aloud for the user. In the demo I saw, it was admittedly a bit buggy, though that was apparently because it had an earlier build. I do actually believe that, given that I did see it working perfectly on another device. To zoom in on text, you can simply use the volume keys. Volume up will zoom in, volume down will zoom out. At the moment, it seems to be reading the prompt that comes up to let the user know that it's going to be capturing what's on the display. That'll be fixed. It seemed to already have been fixed on other devices as well. Meanwhile, kind of on the side and left out of the announcements were the MagicBooks, which are more or less the same as Huawei's MateBooks. There's admittedly not a lot to talk about here, as they're just some decently powered laptops without any bells and whistles. The camera, like on the MateBook, is stored under a keycap though, so the screen has very small bezels as a result. The keyboard is nice to use and the laptop itself feels sturdy, though again this is another China exclusive device. For now, anyway. Even the Honorbound 5 had been available for purchase in Europe for a little while now, so it seems strange to re-announce it. Even still, products like the Honor Vision and the MagicBooks hadn't been seen outside of China yet, and given the right price, they're going to be very exciting devices. We'll have an Honorbound 5 review for you soon as well, so stay tuned for that. This has been Adam Conway with XDATV. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.